Good evening, everyone. Today we're going to study how to find a function of a function or how to solve composite functions. And the question is given that f of x is equal to 2x minus 4 and g of x is equal to 3x plus 3. A. Find g of f of 3 and B. Work out an expression for the inverse function of x, and 3. Solve f of x equal to g of x. First of all, before I go ahead, do not hesitate to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. So let's go right ahead. Solution. Now for A, we are told to find g of f of 3. First of all, we're given g of x as 3x plus 5, all right? And now we're given f of x as 2x minus 4. Okay, so as we're given this function, we're told to find g of x of 3. But first of all, we have to find g of x of f of x. Now, this is the same thing as g of f of x. Okay, so that means we're going to put the function f of x into g of x. We'll substitute it as x. So let's go right ahead and do that. So we'll have 2x minus 4 plus 5. So it's the same equation here, but we substituted x as 2x minus 4. So this is what we understand by g f of x. Okay, so we'll simplify this. Let us write g f of x. Simplify this, giving us 6x minus 12 plus 5 equal to 6x minus 7. So now we're also told to find g of x of 3. So that means we're going to substitute, or we're going to find this function when x is equal to 3. So write 3 anywhere we find x. So substitute 3 anywhere we find x minus 7, which will give us 6 times 3 is 18 minus 7. Therefore, g of f of 3 is equal to 11. So our second problem, B, work out an expression for the inverse of f of x. So we know f of x is equal to 2x minus 4. So we're going to rewrite this equation as y equal to 2x minus 4, and then we'll make x subject of this above equation. Now we're trying to convert this function f of x to its inverse. And that is the process. First of all, you make x subject. So you make x subject, it will be y equal to 2x. We'll rewrite the equation. Then we'll move forward to this side. Okay, so that will give us y plus 4 equal to 2x. And then we'll divide both sides by 2 because we need to isolate x. So that will give us y plus 4 over 2 equal to x. So now we're going to plug this equation as it looks. First of all, let's go up here and rewrite it. So we'll have x equal to y plus 4 over 2. So now for us to convert this equation finally into its inverse, so we'll write f minus 1. That's f raised to the power minus 1. That's the inverse of f of x equal to. So we're going to plunge this equation, right? We'll say x plus 4 over 2. We can't write y because it is a function of x. So we're going to substitute x as y. So this is the expression for the inverse of f of x. I hope you understand the way this was solved. And then we have the final problem, which says solve for f of x equal to g of x. F of x equal to g of x. So we continue here. Solve for f of x equal to g of x. Okay, so f of x equal to g of x. Now we know f of x is 2x minus 4 and gx is 3x plus 5. So we're going to find the value of x. Okay, so I would like to move 2 to this side and move 5 to this side, or vice versa. Okay, so we'll say minus 4 minus 5 equal to 3x minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is x. Minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. Therefore, x is equal to minus 9.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. All three engines up and burning. 2, 1, 0, and liftoff. The final liftoff of Atlantis on the shoulders of the space shuttle. America will continue the dream.